Tamago, wine, steak, strawberry cheesecake, Iwaizumi Yogurt, strawberry, Choco Banana, Gateau Mignon, chunky cookie dough, Bakeable Cheesecake, Soy Sauce, Blueberry Cheesecake, Orange, Sakura Matcha, White Chocolate, Cookies and Cream, Milk Chocolate, Mint, Raspberry, Steak, Pumpkin Pudding, Dark Chocolate, Wasabi, Green Tea.
Hey guys, thank you so much for the support and likes and comments down below, and also thank you so much for watching, and I look forward to see you in the next video. Then take care, bye.